What women need to know about men. That is what I want to disclose in this video. What all ladies should know about all Lord, all men. Please, this video is for everyone that want to know what women need to know about men. So before I proceed on this video, I want to let you know that you are most welcome to this channel, and you are welcome in the name of the Most High God. My name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So thank you for stopping by. If today is your first time, join us by subscribing and make sure that you turn on the bell. Anytime I upload a new content, you will get notified of my new video. Now, what are the things women need to know about men? These are very important, and that is what I want to disclose in this video. If you are a woman watching this video, make sure that you watch it to the very end. If you are a man watching this video, the same thing is applicable to you. So you are most welcome once again. So the things women need to know about men are: number one, men never love because of sex. Yes, no matter the style, how intimate both of you have, if a man don't love you, he don't love you. No matter how frequent you give it to him, if a man don't love you affectionately, deeply, he will never love you, and he will never love you forever. But if at first sight that man don't love you and you love that man, don't force him or beg him to love you. If you force him, that is the worst case of it, because in no distant time he will leave you because he don't love you genuinely. He just want to play you, or he want to play game with you. After the game, he will definitely run away. But if a man loves you and you love him too, everything will be working accordingly. So men never love because of that thing you give to him. Men never love because of great intimacy. Number two is men take sex as a game and exercise. Yes, though women see this affection or this practice as a great way to express a deep love to men, but men are seeing it as exercise, game, fun. Men never see this as something he will use to hold you. No, men don't appreciate it most. Yes, once a man don't love you after having this exercise or this game with you, he will leave you. So I want to let you know that men don't take this practice serious. Yes, if a man don't love you, let him be. But men take sex as a game or exercise. So if you see it as a way of getting him, you are making a mistake. Women see this as a way of expressing their love, and after this exercise, women get into deep love with that man. But in terms of men, it is not like that. Men are seeing it as a game or fun. So that is it. Number three is men love respect and authority. Yes, every man want to express his power as a man. Every man want to express his power as the head of the family, and he love respect. So if you are a woman and you want to get the heart of your man, always respect him at all costs. If you always respect your husband will also respect you and be obedient to you. As far as you respect your husband, as long as you respect your man, he will love you. I am giving you assurance. So men love respect and also like to exercise their authority, power as a man. So if you are a woman watching this, get this noted. Men love respect and they like to express their power as a man. Maybe both of you are married. Men like to say something so that you as a woman will do it. And if you always do this, he will love you. So these are what women need to know about men, and that is what I want to share with you in this video. I believe that you get value. Thank you for watching. If you have questions and comments, drop it down in the comment section. Comment on this video. Let me know what you think. Like and share this video to your loved ones. I wish you good luck. See you in my next video. Bye.